Hi, in this video, we are going to talk about while loop. While loop is a loop which runs continuously unless and until a specific condition is met. So, as you can see, this is how LabVIEW while loop looks like. This is a basic flow chart that condition met, it will again and again check whether the condition is met or not. If the condition met, then your loop will stop. And this is how a pseudocode generally look like. Now let us create a for loop into a while loop into the block diagram. Go to structures, click on while loop and drag it. So again, as you can see, just like for loop, we have I terminal over here. It gives me the loop iteration, right? Or the loop iteration count. Now this is my conditional terminal. Here we will specify at which condition, at which specific condition this while loop will stop. Now let's suppose I'll create a stop button. Now this is my stop button. Unless and until the stop button is pressed, the loop should run, right? So let me quickly add a delay of 1000 millisecond, and this is my loop iteration count, right? So quickly increase the size of it. Now if I run the code, so as you can see, the code will run again and again. It will run continuously unless and until I'll click on the stop button, right? So this is how a while loop works. So if I click on the stop button, my VI will stop. So this is how we create while loop, right? So there are a lot of other functionalities that you can figure out, right? So in order to replace the while loop with for loop, what you can do is right click on the border of while loop, click on replace with for loop, and this is how you can replace it with for loop. So now this is my for loop as we have seen in the last video, right?